Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Yes, my dear students, good afternoon. Am I audible? Right. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Hi Rayanj and hi Siddhant and hi Ishani, all of you, good afternoon. So how are you all doing? Am I audible? I should be audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
are you all?
Ma'am, and I'm fine. I'm fine, ma'am.
Fine. Great. That's a good thing. That's a good news. So yes, how many have you received that link for test? None of you.
Ma'am, I forgot.
You forgot.
Ma'am,
That also you
about
can.
the test.
You forgot about that. Did you get the link on the group?
Ma'am,
You
I
must.
got the link, but I was doing it right now. But then I had to join because my brother opened it.
Your brother what?
I was doing the test.
Hmm.
I was at the 9th, 10th question. But
Hmm.
then I had to join because the time it was 2, so I had to join.
No, the last part I still am not able to. I couldn't hear.
Ma'am,
You were doing the test, but then
she was saying that she had no time because it
oh,
was about to become 2 and she had to join.
okay. It was about to be 2 a.m., so you could not complete, but had to join. Okay. Anyone else? Did you receive? Have you tried to start the test?
No.
None of you. Okay then. So we have only one option that I am again going to share the screen and you do the test. One
Ma'am,
question.
I also forget.
You also forgot.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rayanj.
shifting and starting.
You are what?
Design of this. Shifting. Ma'am, this is mirror image and water image.
Hold on. Rayanj, you are shifting to your new house.
Yes, ma'am, shifting.
You are
This
shifted.
is mirror image and water image. Ma'am, I cannot even find my laptop. Ma'am, I had a doubt in the 9th question because they told that where's the house of Karthik, and but then there's no house of Karthik only in the ship.
Okay. I will check this. I will check this. So till 8 question is done, Ishani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I am checking the ninth number. Ishani, you have the link, right?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Ishani, can you do the same thing like we did in the last class? That you start from the 10th one, you skip the 9th one for now. The 9th one, yes, it does has some changes to be done. I am checking that and I will come back to that question.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
this is mirror image and water image.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am?
Read the question, all of you. Read the question. Hi, yes, tell me.
Today we're doing test or another thing? Test.
No, today we are doing the test. Today we are doing the test. All of you, please start. Start writing your answers. And if any question is there which you don't understand, I can make you understand. I cannot tell you the answer. But I will try my best so that I will make you understand that so that you can give the answer easily.
Ma'am, first one is very easy.
Okay, Vivansh. So rule number 1 for test is that we will not talk much. We will do our question. If we have some question, any doubts, we will ask ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I have not paper.
Sorry? You don't have paper. Where are you, Siddhant? You are at home, right?
Yes.
So then bring a paper, Siddhant.
But I have not a paper.
That's not
He doesn't
possible.
have paper, it seems.
You are at home, right? You will have your notebook, any spare notebook, at least one page we need. Write it on wall. Bring your pencil, write on wall.
What?
That will be your responsibility. You will get scolded by your parents. I don't know. I can guarantee you for that. But since you don't have paper, you are saying. Vivansh, what did I say? Rule number 1, we will not do your question.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can I give the answer?
No, Siddhant. You can't give the answer, Siddhant. You just lodge your answer somewhere because later when you will complete the question, you have to mark your answer, Siddhant. You don't have to give the answer here. Could you find paper?
No, ma'am.
Siddhant,
I'm
where is your
writing
mom?
on my hand.
Siddhant, where is your mom? Make me please talk to your mom.
Not here.
Why are you alone today then?
My grandfather is here, but
Your grandfather is there. Please make me talk to him.
what?
Can he talk? Will he talk to me? Make me talk to your grandfather, please. Anyone older than you, elder than you?
Ma'am,
Yes.
my grandfather doing work.
सिद्धांत
Ma'am,
आपको एक पेज ढूंढना है सिद्धांत.
can we start the test?
Why are you waiting? Did you mark? Did you answer question 1, Priyansh and
Yes,
Vivansh?
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am?
Siddhant, yes, Vivansh.
Ma'am, actually, day after tomorrow, I'm going to my grandfather's house.
Okay, good. Probably on next Saturday we'll not have
Ma'am,
class. You will be
ma'am,
informed
on
about.
Thursday,
Oh.
ma'am, on Thursday, I'm going to ma'am Chandigarh, ma'am, as a school trip, and I'll come back on Friday.
Oh wow.
Ma'am?
Where are you? Okay, you are
Ma'am,
going
with
to
my
Chandigarh.
friends, the night stay. Ma'am, by the way, I'm taking my laptop to my hometown
Okay.
for classes.
Great, great then, great.
Could
Yes,
you first
question
or
number
second?
2. Yes, we can. But सिद्धांत, आप एक पेज नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हो सिद्धांत?
Yes. Ma'am.
Yes, किस चीज का
Ma'am.
आंसर था सिद्धांत?
Ma'am, I think he can take his old books like UKG, LKG books, and at the last pages, if there is any rough page over there, he can.
Even I have suggested the same.
He can
सिद्धांत,
take any rough notebook or something. Ma'am,
सिद्धांत यही करते हैं हम.
ma'am, I was never. I could give him 1,000. I have so many.
We are at home, right? So we can find multiple ways. If you are not able to find your own book, just grab anyone else's.
I shifted and still I have three books sitting at my table.
Yes, Siddhant.
I am writing on my hand.
सिद्धांत, no, you cannot write on your hand. Please find a notebook, सिद्धांत. आप घर पे एक नोटबुक नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हो सिद्धांत?
Yes.
सिद्धांत, no. आपकी स्कूल की बुक है ना, लेकर आओ, उसके सबसे लास्ट पेज में लिखो. You don't have a spare book at your home? You don't have a spare notebook? Do you have newspaper at home? You must be having some paper around. How can that be possible?
Ma'am, by the way, even poor people sometimes have papers.
It's not about being poor. I can just extend my hand and get a page. How is that possible? For rule number 1 for attending the class is to have a notebook with you. How can we join the class and not have a notebook?
Actually, I also did not have a notebook, but I just brought
We can't study without a paper or pen.
Ma'am, by the way, I also did not bring my notebook, so I brought it just now.
Okay, question number 2, Vivansh and Rayansh, go ahead. Siddhant, either please make me talk to your mom.
Ma'am, I found a paper.
You found a paper? Thank God you found a paper. A paper will be enough for us. You answer the mark your answer for question number 1 on that a paper. Question number 1 का आंसर तो आपने डिसाइड कर लिया होगा? हाँ, सिद्धांत, have you decided answer for question number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो write down and I'm moving to question number 2 and 3. All of you did not even let me check question number 9.
Ma'am, question number 3.
Question number 3 is here. Is it not visible? It's here. Question number 3 is visible. 2 and 3 both are visible.
Ma'am, actually, I don't understand it too.
Wait, just a
Ma'am, question number 4.
Nora started walking towards north to reach market. She took a left turn and walked to some distance. In which direction is she facing now? She was walking towards north, where if you take a north turn,
Ma'am,
if you
it
take a
should
north
be the
turn,
ma'am, the thing.
don't tell the answer. Don't tell the answer, Reyansh.
No, ma'am.
Don't.
I'm just
Ah,
confused between or like full
what?
left. Ma'am,
Ah,
I don't understand the third third question.
मैं आप लोगों को यहाँ पे आई एम गिविंग यू द डायग्राम हियर. मैं आप लोगों को यहाँ पर डायग्राम बना के दे देती हूँ. यू मेक यूज ऑफ दैट डायग्राम. ये आपका ईस्ट होता है. दिस इज योर वेस्ट. अपवर्ड नॉर्थ, डाउनवर्ड साउथ. ओके. लेफ्ट, राइट, लेफ्ट, राइट, लेफ्ट, राइट, लेफ्ट. ठीक है. नाउ अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में क्या?
number 4.
यस, जस्ट अ मिनट, जस्ट अ मिनट. हाँ, कैन यू सी इट? वेट अ मिनट रेयांश, जस्ट क्विकली आई विल मेक इट. देखो यहाँ पे विवांश एंड रेयांश, सॉरी सिद्धांत, विवांश and Siddhant, look at here. So she took a left turn from north. So first she was going towards north. If we are going towards north, we will
It's
point
very
towards.
easy. Now I understood. Now I understood.
So you make use of this diagram every time you come across a question of direction sense. Okay.
Ma'am, it's
हाँ,
for
it's what? It's what? Don't give the answer, no, Vivansh. Don't give the answer. You gave the. Siddhant, did you understand? सिद्धांत.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है, बढ़िया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ऑल ऑफ यू.
Ma'am, please scroll
अच्छा
up
हाँ,
to.
you did not. Okay.
What one is very easy? Ma'am, could you go to fifth question?
Yes, yes, I can, I can. So let's Siddhant. Siddhant, did you complete third question?
Yes.
Ah, just a minute. Now see it. So one thing you should know is that our shadow is always formed in the opposite direction of light. Light is coming from here. A person is standing here. Your shadow will be here. Okay. The light is coming from front. So in the question, a man is facing away from the sun in the evening time. In the evening time, the sun is in the east. Sorry, the sun is in the west. Huh? So this is your west, east, north, and south. Your shadow will cast on the east. A man is facing away from the sun. This is east. He is facing away from the sun, meaning his back is on the west side. His back is on the west. So this is his back. He is facing towards east, that means. You have to tell where will be his shadow found.
Ma'am, after our perspective or the man?
For the man.
Ma'am, could you go
For the
to
man.
seventh, sixth?
For the man. From not our perspective. The question never asks us to answer from our perspective. They will always ask according to the elements in the question.
Ma'am,
Here,
always in front of. Ma'am, could you go
don't
to
tell the
sixth
answer.
question?
Did you got the fourth question, Vivansh?
Yes, ma'am.
What was your answer, Vivansh?
And you said not to tell.
Okay. Can you just whisper a little bit? Okay, you do one thing. You change the chat preference and you send it to me only. You check what is the chat preference and so you send the answer for me only. Like write 4 and the option number and the option. Change your chat preference. Change whom you want to send message. Send it to me only. Okay, got it. Okay, I'll show you the sixth one. Done, Siddhant, done this fourth one. Shall I show next question?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Okay, now you can see. 5 and 6, a little bit of 7 also. But for 7, I have to scroll down a little bit more.
Ma'am, could you go to seventh question?
Yes, yes, I can, but let Siddhant also complete. I think he's only in the fifth one yet.
Ma'am, I understood seventh question. I can answer it without even seeing.
Okay, but then you have to see which option. No, you can answer, you can definitely find the answer, but then option, you have to see which option should I select.
Ma'am, can I see question?
Okay, Siddhant, can I just scroll down to the next question?
Ma'am, 20
Siddhant,
questions are there.
20 questions are there. Siddhant, can I just scroll down to the next question?
No, 1 second.
1 second, okay. Let's wait for 1 second.
1 second is over.
Second is over. Second is over means? Oh,
Yes.
1 second is over. Oh, he also said yes. He already gave us a heads up.
Ma'am, I don't understand the seventh one.
Who is that? Vivansh.
Ma'am, can I type in the chat box? What
See,
I
you told me that you got the seventh question answer already.
Ma'am, tell me once to make a diagram. Ma'am, I figured it question number 7 with a diagram.
In diagram, what do you mean?
Ma'am, I made a diagram.
Oh, you made a diagram, but you cannot show it to me now.
Ma'am,
right?
ma'am, actually, I typed it in the chat box.
AD. In A, draw your full diagram.
Ma'am, I can't
Draw your,
ma'am, every option of question number 8.
draw your full diagram on this 7. From P's respect, right? Draw your diagram on P. East, west, west, north, south. Draw the diagram on P. They are asking us from P's respect. With respect to P, from P's respect, A is in which direction? It is very clear now.
Ma'am, it's super clear.
It's super clear. Between your north and east. So choose now. Don't tell the answer. Riyansh, you asked, you were saying something for the next question?
Ma'am,
Could you
I
go
was
for
saying
eighth
that,
question?
ma'am, I can't see all the optional question number 8.
You cannot see all the options. But depends on whether all of the boys have completed the seventh
Ma'am,
one or
I
not.
know it's in one of the both options.
You tell me first, Vivansh, did you complete seventh number?
Yes.
Last time you got less score, Vivansh.
Is it?
Did you give me the answer for eighth number?
Yes, ma'am.
And for seventh number, tell me which option are you marking, Vivansh? You said to me, your earlier answer was not correct for seventh question. It was not correct. Siddhant.
Please turn to ninth question.
Okay, ninth one, but eighth one you have selected. Eighth one you need. No. Eighth one you do need option. You do need option for the eighth question.
मतलब?
एट क्वेश्चन के ऑप्शन सारे ऑप्शंस देखिए ये तो सिर्फ वन और ए और बी ऑप्शन था सी और डी भी देखिए
Ma'am, I can't
ए
see
और
seventh question.
यू कांट सी एट क्वेश्चन
Seventh.
सेवेंथ why do you need seventh when I explain it to you, right?
Changed my.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I changed.
You did? Okay, tell me what did you want then?
Ma'am, could you go to ninth question?
Ma'am, time for the 9th question.
Am I audible? Yes, just a minute, I'll show you the ninth one. Okay, question number 8, please mark the answer, Vivansh and Siddhant.
Ma'am, I marked.
You did? Your answer was not in A and B. So if you have marked A or B, no, change it. And this is the ninth question. In ninth question, we need some corrections. Whose home is diagonally? Why do you need? Okay, wait. I will tell the correction. In ninth question, we need correction. Diagonal to Karthik's
Ma'am, I
home.
think Karen is Karthik.
Ma'am, there is no Karthik.
Ma'am, I think Karen is Karthik.
But Kim can also be Karthik.
But Karen has the same letters as Karthik. Maybe ma'am, I think the printing, maybe it's they accidentally.
Ma'am, maybe this is a trick question.
What's the trick in it?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I don't understand. Huh?
Hmm.
Ma'am, why are you striking out all of the questions and giving different names?
I did not do for all the questions.
Ma'am,
It for only ninth number question.
ma'am,
Siddhant.
I don't understand ninth question.
Whose-
That's what ma'am is correcting.
Whose home is diagonally opposite to Karthik's home? कार्तिक के होम से डायगोनली अपोजिट किसका
Ma'am,
घर है?
I think Karen is Karthik.
हाँ, yes, I have corrected that.
Ma'am, could you go to 10th question?
I can.
Ma'am,
Wait, Ishani, this is a correction for the 9th question. Ishani, please check this.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
Kim is
okay,
Kirti.
ma'am.
Ma'am, Kim is Kirti.
What did you say, Reyansh?
Ma'am, Kim is Kirti.
Kim is Kirti. Why Kim is Kirti?
No, it's
In the option, the Kim is Kirti. In option, the Kim is Kirti. I've corrected that. Ishani, did you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. 10th number.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
please scroll up a little bit. Done. I'm done.
second easy one.
Don't talk.
मैम 11th के बाकी आंसर्स दिखा दो.
Wait. Reyansh and Vivansh, have you completed 10th and 11th?
Yes, ma'am.
Reyansh completed?
Ma'am, I think he is not done.
Reyansh? He must
Or
have.
he is drinking water.
Yeah, maybe he's involved in some other work.
Or he is going to the washroom.
Why are you requesting to record this on your computer? I will decline.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not. Ma'am, I'm not.
You didn't. Siddhant did. Also, Siddhant, why have you joined from 2 devices? You tell me that.
2 devices.
You are talking from.
One for Mama join and I join.
Okay, your mom is in some other place. Fine.
Yes.
Reyansh, you are not responding, Reyansh.
Ma'am, I was seeing question number. Oh, and ma'am did not see the arrow.
What?
Ma'am, either A or B is 11. Ma'am, the 2 more answers of 11 question number 11.
2 more answer meaning?
Ma'am, the 2 more options. Ma'am, could you show 12th question?
I can. Let me first clear out for Reyansh. Reyansh, what did you say? I could not understand.
Ma'am, can I see the rest options?
Okay, yes. These are the options for 11th one. If you can see all of you.
Ma'am, I got my answer.
You got all of you? Okay, let the other students also do it.
Ma'am, I don't understand why they're giving C.
So then you need to recheck your answer, Vivansh.
Ma'am, actually, I did not keep C.
Ma'am, I'm done with the 20 questions. So can I submit it?
Yes. Please fill your answer.
Why did they even keep C?
Oh, Vivansh, you select your answer, no? Whichever option you think is correct, you mark your answer. Okay, so shall I show 12 number? Here you go.
Ma'am, what is AB?
What is AB?
Ma'am, which of the following, ma'am, which of the answers figures that?
Ma'am, please scroll to 9.
Scroll to the next question, you mean?
9th question.
Oh, 9th question.
What? Question number 13.
Why do you want to go back to the 9th question?
Ma'am, I said incorrect because. Ma'am, I think he selected.
Why are you thinking, both of you? Do your question. No. Let him think what he's thinking.
Yeah, ma'am.
Done? Please think for question number 12.
Ma'am, let's go to 13th question.
13th question. Done. 12 number done. Rayansh?
Yes,
Siddhant? Siddhant, what about you? 12 number?
no.
No? Okay, please let's wait for him for some time. Vivansh, you see, I don't, I really am expecting good score from you. Vivansh,
Done.
done?
Ma'am, earlier this time I practiced.
This time you practiced? That's wonderful. Please check this question 13, sorry, 13.
Ma'am, I can't see all of the answers.
Yes, I know. I know. Just wait, I will scroll down to the next option. Ishani submitted your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please write your score to me in the chat box? Just write to me only, not to everyone. Yes, so shall I show you the rest of the options? Here you go. Option D is of no use, right? It's a water image. So option 2 is of no use.
Question number 14.
Hmm. Ishani, you check your
Both non-anti-clockwise.
Ishani, you find out which questions you got wrong. Find out which
Ma'am, I'm
questions
doing that.
you do that. And if you want, you can reattempt the test. It's okay. No problem. Ishani, get those questions under.
Ma'am, could you go to 15th?
Yes, wait. Ishani, once you check which questions you got wrong, reattempt those questions and again you can fill your answers. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mohit was facing the library. He made 3/4 turns anti-clockwise. Where would he be facing? Yes, what is the doubt here?
Ma'am, no 3/4 and turn anti-clockwise.
Ma'am, actually that is actually that.
So he is facing towards library. He will make anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise meaning he go this way. 3/4 matlab this is 4. These are 4.
Ma'am, done.
We want
I can.
We want 4 parts here. So
Ma'am.
1 turn, 2 turn, 3rd turn, 3/4.
Ma'am, I done 20 question.
How did you do that 20th question? I'm not even shown your 20th question, Siddhant.
20 question.
Siddhant, I'm showing here 14th number. How did you complete 20 questions?
Ma'am, I think he saw the link.
Vivansh, why are you thinking? Why are you thinking? I will do the thinking part. No, you do the question.
Ma'am, I'm doing on computer.
You are doing on computer, that is fine. But
I'm
मैं
also doing.
नंबर यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले कर रही हूँ सिद्धांत.
यहाँ नहीं कर रहा लेकिन मैंने कंप्यूटर से कर लिया.
कब किया आपने और आप मुझे अभी क्यों इन्फॉर्म कर रहे हैं कि आपने 20 क्वेश्चंस कर लिया था?
क्योंकि अब हुआ है.
सिद्धांत, फिर आप मुझे क्यों कह रहे थे? Why were you asking here, ma'am, scroll to the 9th question, scroll to this question, scroll to that question?
Ma'am,
I'm not able to understand. I'm not able to comprehend it. Hold on.
because I have not doing that time. Is he speaking like that? मतलब मैं उस
हाँ।
टाइम पे नहीं कंप्यूटर से कर रहा था. Ma'am, I can explain to
अच्छा.
Reyansh.
Wait. Why are you explaining to anyone, Vivansh? You do that one. I am explaining to you and you are explaining to the rest. Okay, सिद्धांत, ठीक है. तो फिर आपने कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया सिद्धांत? 15 से आपने स्टार्ट किया होगा. आपने कंप्यूटर पे कौन से क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट किया? अभी स्टार्ट किया आपने, ठीक है. तो वहां पे जहां से आपने वो टेस्ट स्टार्ट किया है, जहां से आपने लिंक ओपन किया है, you know, along with that only you must there is option to submit answer. Along with the question paper, Siddhant, you have the option to submit answer. You click on submit answer, you fill that Google form. Submit your answer, Siddhant.
Ma'am, I have crossed that.
You have marked your
मैंने
answer.
उसको क्रॉस कर दिया ऊपर से.
कोई बात नहीं, go back to that site. Go back to the page and again fill it. You can still go again. You can still again go back to it,
Ma'am,
Siddhant.
could you scroll to 15?
हाँ, yes, I can. Did you got your answer first for the 15th, 14th one, Siddhant and Vivansh? Or your answer?
Ma'am,
हाँ.
what's that site name?
What's that? What?
साइट का नेम क्या है?
साइट का नाम नहीं सिद्धांत. आपने जहाँ से टेस्ट का लिंक क्लिक किया ना, आपने टेस्ट का लिंक क्लिक किया ना, जो मैंने लिंक भेजा था. अच्छा,
वो कौन सा नाम?
आप रुक जाइए. वेट अ मिनट. थोड़ी देर वेट कर लीजिए. मैं आपको लिंक दूंगी अभी. टेस्ट सबमिट करने के लिए लिंक मैं दूंगी. वेट कर लीजिए थोड़ी.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 16.
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 ऑप्शन.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. ओके.
I'm doing question 15.
सिद्धांत, मैं आपको लिंक देती हूँ. जस्ट अ मिनट, थोड़ा वेट कीजिए.
And could you scroll to 16?
सिद्धांत, चैट बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, आप उस लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए और वहां पे सबमिट आंसर का ऑप्शन आपको मिलेगा. सिद्धांत, उस पे क्लिक करके अपना आंसर सबमिट कीजिए प्लीज.
Actually my net is so slow. Question number 17.
7, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं सिद्धांत. यू कैन वेट फॉर सम टाइम. 17th नंबर हियर. विवांश, डन 16th नंबर.
Yes,
ओके.
I can't see all the options.
Although you don't need all the options.
Yes, ma'am. Could you go to 18th?
Okay, I can. Reyansh got the 17th one.
Yes, ma'am, 18th.
Okay. Study the adjoining diagram carefully. Mohit is facing towards the park. He is facing towards the park. Okay. If theater and hospital interchange their position, in the place of theater, we now have hospital. In place of hospital, we now have theater. And makes 1 by 4 turn anti-clockwise. From the park, he will make 1 by 4 turns anti-clockwise. 1 by 4 part, right? See, we have although 8 parts here, but we are considering only 1 by 4. Huh? The numerator denominator is 4. So we are having only 4 total parts of the full figure. He will take 1 by 4 anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means to this direction. So 1 by 4, 1 turn.
But that's not in the option.
Okay. Siddhant, are you able to mark the answers now? Is it working? Network? Fine? No?
It is fine.
It's fine. No?
Ma'am, could you go to 9?
Ah, yes, I can. Depends on what did you mark. Okay, what did you mark, all of you? What 18th number? Write your answer to me, Vivansh. Reyansh also. Write it to me only.
Ma'am, what?
Huh?
What should I write?
Write your answer for 18th number question. What have you marked? Write your answer for me, to me only.
And ma'am,
Okay, Vivansh. 19th number. Mirror image. Okay.
I can't see all the answers.
Ah, yes. First you check. I will show you all the answers, all the options.
Yes, ma'am, I need all the. We don't actually need only ma'am like this A, B.
Eliminate out option D from there. You don't need all the options.
Yes, ma'am. Could you go to 20
Of course, I can.
and 20?
Done, Ranch. 20th number, shall I show?
Yes.
Huh? Okay. सिद्धांत जल्दी में आंसर मत मार कीजिए प्लीज. We have lot of time and this is not even your proper test. This is just for your learning. So don't be afraid of marking answers, but don't be overconfident, all of you. Ah. Garima faces mango tree, goes straight.
मैं अपनी नोटबुक से देख के मार्क कर रहा हूँ. Done,
आप
ma'am.
क्यों आपने
I'm done.
करा?
Ma'am, I'm done.
You are done. Now see, there is a link in the chat box. You open
Ma'am,
that
done.
link.
Can I like submit my
Yes.
answer?
Please submit your answers, but please don't mark wrong answers. Less than 15, not acceptable. Acceptable, of course, but just don't be overconfident, all of you. Ishani, now you tell me which questions you got wrong.
Ma'am, I don't even know my email ID. Can
You
I
don't
mark in
know
the
your
chat
email?
box?
Can I mark in the chat box? Okay, yes, Ishani, please write it to me on in the chat box. Rayanj, Vivansh, please just take help from your mom maybe, or your father, maybe anyone in your family who can tell your email ID. You just have to fill any email ID so that the answer, I think it will be transferred to your that email ID also. The response sheet will be sent on the email ID also. Once submitted, please write your answers to me. Okay, Shani, I will explain all these questions to you.
मैम
Yeah.
Ma'am, but when
मैं सबमिट कैसे करूं?
when I submitted the answers, when they showed the wrong, they even showed me the answers. So I just wrote it down in my book.
Okay, but so you got the correct answers, but you don't know, right, the explanation of it.
Ma'am, so Saturday,
मैम
I think I can't do the test another because then I don't know the explanation.
मैम
On Saturday, we don't have again test, Ishani. Today was the test. Why would we have a test again, Ishani? We will have the test again after 3 topics.
Ma'am, I was saying that you told me that I could do the test again, but I
If
can't do the test again because
yes, you cannot submit it again. I think so, but no. Some students have re-attempted the test. So once you click on that link again, submit answer, what does it show? That you've already filled it.
मैम
Huh? Ishani, if you click on submit answer again, what will it show? That you've already filled it.
I got
I
17
think
out of
it
20.
is.
Okay, Reyansh. Okay, Reyansh, good. But tell me those 3
Ma'am.
options, those 3, huh, Reyansh? Tell me those 3 questions.
Ma'am, after that I checked and I saw my mistake. Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
सिद्धांत बताइए.
सबमिट कैसे करूं?
हाँ, सबमिट कैसे करूं? Did you open that link जहाँ पे आपको आंसर्स मार्क करने हैं?
हाँ, और उसके आंसर्स भी मार्क कर दिए.
तो सबसे लास्ट में जाइए, वहां पे सबमिट होगा ऑप्शन आपका.
क्लिक कर दिया.
सबमिट हो गया वो. देखिए आपको स्कोर, इट मस्ट बी शोइंग यू द स्कोर. यस ईशानी.
बट वो ईमेल और योर आंसर मांग रहे.
योर आंसर नहीं मांग रहे हैं वो. अच्छा हाँ, ईमेल तो फिल कीजिए. आपने ईमेल कीजिए.
I got email out of 20.
ईमेल डालना पड़ेगा आपको.
Ma'am, I got 15 out of 20.
ओके, गुड दिस टाइम, बट स्टिल 5 क्वेश्चंस
मैं
रॉन्ग.
किसी का भी ईमेल डाल सकती हूँ?
किसी का भी डाल सकते हैं. यस, आप मेरा डाल दीजिए, कोई बात नहीं.
मैम, उसके बाद क्या करना है?
ईमेल डाल के आपको सबमिट करना है.
ईमेल के बाद कुछ और भी दिखा रहा है वो.
व्हाट इज इट शोइंग? तो फिर और भी कोई आपका नाम आपने फिल नहीं किया है.
मैम, ब्रांड नेम और ईमेल आईडी. मैम,
आपको अपना नाम वेट सिद्धांत, राइट योर नेम देयर सिद्धांत. और आपका ईमेल भी फिल कीजिए. हाँ यस विवांश.
ईमेल आईडी भी.
हाँ.
मैम,
हाँ.
when I am trying to resubmit the test, it's letting me do again.
It's letting you do. It's okay. No need to do it again. It's okay. That's
Ma'am,
really, you can
Ma'am,
explain.
I think my will also let me do again.
It's okay. It's of no use. It is of no use, right? We are learning only. All of you are learning the questions. It was just that you were doing the questions now on your self-dependent. This is still you are learning only. It's not a test like judging you or anything like that. You're just still learning. Just that you are self-dependent now. Okay, so you just tell me which all questions you got wrong. See, Ishani has got these questions wrong. So I will explain those questions. Ishani, this one you have got wrong, hai na? The first one. So what do we need first of all? We need the T should be on top, the S should be here, but a mirror image of it, right? The plus should be here and the 0 should be here. Huh? And in the middle, we want the shape. The triangle should be upside down like this. Like this. I mean, this is already upside down, so it should be upright now. Right? The triangle should be here also, on the top. Like this. And where do you see that? You see,
But the plus should be in the zero side and the zero should be in the plus side.
That happens when the mirror is kept here. That happens when the mirror is kept here. The 0 and the plus will remain where they are. Because in mirror images, this is a water image. The mirror is kept in the bottom.
Ma'am, can I go to
bottom will change. Your T should be like this. T आपका upside down होगा और T आपका upside down सिर्फ एक option में है. You see? Yes, Reyansh.
Ma'am, can I go to the washroom?
Yes, Reyansh, please be back fast. T आपका upside down होगा ईशानी. T is the only key. आप देखिए, you see here in the first one, your T is straight, like how it was. If you will see this, if you will keep the mirror here, the T should be upside down. In the second one also, the T is upright. In option C only, the T is upside down. In the D one also, the T is fine. Got it, Ishani?
Yes, ma'am.
That was question number 1. In question number 4, if a man is facing away from the sun in the evening, where will his shadow fall with respect to the man? So you see, it's evening time. The sun is in the east. Sorry, the sun is in the west, evening time, north and south. Evening hai, the sun is in the west, here is the sun. A man is standing facing away from the sun, meaning his back is away from the sun. His face is towards the east, right? Where will his shadow fall with respect to the man? So in the evening, the shadow falls on the east. In the morning, the shadow falls on the shadow cast on the west, in the west. It's evening time, the shadow will be in the east. And since the man is standing here, the shadow always falls in the opposite of the light source. So his shadow will fall in front of him. Okay, Shani?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am?
2 things just remember. Yeah, tell. Who called
Why
me?
didn't we have a break today?
Because we were doing the test, Vivansh. Also, you also check which questions you got wrong. Check please which questions you got wrong so that I can explain it. सिद्धांत आपका सबमिट कर दिया आपने? Siddhant, did you submit the test?
Mom, I think he's submitting.
Okay, fine. So just remember 2 things. During the evening time, the shadow will cast in the east. During the morning time, the shadow will cast on the west, in the west, because the sun is in the east in morning and sun is in the west in the evening time. Then you have got the 7th one. What is the direction of A with respect to P? From P's respect. So from whoever respect the question will ask, you will always draw the diagram on that one. Like here, they are asking us from P's respect. So P से A किस direction में? अगर आप P में बैठे हो, suppose if you are sitting in P's place or you are standing in P's place, in which direction is A from P? So you lodge the full diagram on P. Just remember this diagram, all of you. All of your IQ is, way more than your age. So I really appreciate how better you understand and how much substantial knowledge all of you are able to understand. आप सारे ही वो चीजें समझ पा रहे हो जो एक आपसे मतलब older than you finds is difficult to understand. That's really appreciative. But one more thing to remember in this one, that this is your east, this is your west, north and south. Northeast, northwest, southwest and southeast. Now from P's position, you can see A is in this direction, which direction is this? Northeast. So the answer was northeast. Got it?
Mom?
Yes, Ishan.
Mom, I did it A to P.
You what?
P to I did it not P to L.
Oh, you did it opposite. You did it A to P. No. So that's what you had to see. No, from whose respect the question is asking. That's very important. That's very important. The same happens in blood relation also. Blood relation means our relation with our, everyone in our family, whoever is related to us with from blood. Our friends are not blood related, right? Our parents, our sibling, our relatives are blood relation, right? So suppose for a man and me, from my respect, this man is my father, but from this man's respect, I am his daughter. The relation changes according to whose respect they are asking. So always keep in mind whenever you are doing question of direction, always check from whose respect the question is asking, right? सिद्धांत प्लीज बताइए क्या आपने आंसर सबमिट कर लिया? After 7th number, you have got the 10th one. So a man is walking towards south, downwards. He takes a right turn. Now you see, I drew the whole diagram here: east, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Ma'am, your video is pausing in the middle for me.
I will close the video then. Maybe some network glitch is there. So wait for some time. I'll again open the video. A man is walking towards the south. He takes a right turn and walks for 10 meters. He will take a right turn and he will walk for 10 meters. What is the direction in which he is facing? He is facing in which direction? You see, this is south and this is your west. So he is facing towards your west direction. If he took a left turn, he would go to east. Got it, Ishani?
Ma'am, then can I check my answer?
Ishani, your answers I cannot check because it did not reach me. Your answers are not with me. I mean, I'm yet to get your answers. I mean, I will get a whole list of the scores which all of you have scored. But
Ma'am,
cannot see.
my answer was also east only.
No, I said west, Ishani. I said west. This मैं तो ये आपको एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ कि अभी तो इसने राइट टर्न लिया था तो ये वेस्ट की तरफ गया. बट अगर लेफ्ट होता क्वेश्चन में तो ही वुड गो टू
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
I'm not audible. Reyansh and Vivansh, am I audible?
Yes,
Reyansh and Vivansh? Yes? Ishani, wait for some time. Maybe there is some network glitch between you and my connection. Am I audible, Ishani?
Ma'am, the wrongs are
Hmm.
the first wrong is 7.
First wrong is 7th. Okay. Then
9.
9. Why did you got the 9th one wrong? I corrected that.
Ma'am, also 15th, 19th and 20.
Then 15.
Ma'am, my score is
Ah.
Ma'am, my score is 20 out of 6. How is that even possible? 20 out of 6?
6 out of 20. 6. 20 में 6 मिला ना तो 6 out of 20.
Okay.
चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. That's good score. अच्छा score है. You are in first grade, right? So if you were in third grade, you would get 6 in first grade, 6 in second grade, and 6 in third grade. सबको ऐड कर दोगे तो 6, 6, 12, 6, 18. Wow, तो आपका स्कोर तो 18 है.
Yes.
We have to talk less. हाँ.
Can I leave now?
Why do you want to leave? Don't you want to understand the questions which you got wrong? Why would you leave? Don't you? आपको वो जो क्वेश्चंस आपने गलत किए हैं उसका जानना नहीं है गलत क्यों हुआ?
बाद में कर दूंगा.
बाद में क्यों करूंगा? You don't want to stay here because your mom is not with you there. ऐसा है क्या कुछ?
I'm going to show my 7th one.
ठीक है. Your Siddhant, your mom is there. I think she's here. Wait. Let me talk to your. No, your mom is not here. Mom is not here. Siddhant,
Yes.
please ask your mom to make you understand if she can, or else she can
My
ask.
mom is not here.
I know she is not here, but when she comes back, when she will be back, when she
Okay.
comes back, you can tell her that time that I did the test and I got this much score, and you check also कौन-कौन से questions आपको wrong हुए हैं. आप उनको check करके दोबारा से solve कीजिए.
मैंने चेक अभी करा.
Yes, see, your mom is joining again. Let me message her. Wait. Siddhant, can you please tell me which questions you got wrong so that I can explain? Excuse me, ma'am, can I have a minute with you?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, so Siddhant is asking me if he can leave the class or not.
Ma'am, if you can like help him with the wrong answers, that will be
That's
great.
what I was asking him to do, but he is insisting that he will do it later.
I mean, like it's between you and Siddhant, ma'am, then I should not be interfering.
Okay, fine then. He will stay. He will stay then. सिद्धांत आप चेक कीजिए आपको कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस गलत हुए हैं मैं आपको समझाऊंगी अभी. Yes. Ishani, you there? Ishani, have you joined back?
No.
सिद्धांत, please check. मैं collectively समझाऊंगी. फिलहाल मैं ईशानी का complete कर लूँ. And in that I have two questions. One question actually, two questions, which Ishani and Vivansh both of you got wrong. Reyansh, is there any critical question which you got wrong?
Ma'am,
हाँ.
I closed that page.
It's okay.
जिसमें वो आंसर्स थे वो वाला जिसमें आंसर्स थे वो सब. Ma'am, by the way, I also closed the page, but
चलो,
whatever
fine.
answers are correct
हाँ,
and what
It's okay. Forget about it. I will explain all the questions now, all of you. Forget about it. First question, what was your answer? All of you have marked. Tell me. C1. C1, all of you. Up vote for
C.
C. For question number two.
my is D.
D. No. D तो गलत हो गया ना सिद्धांत. देखिए.
It's B. Mine was also D.
D wrong. D wrong. C1 will be your answer because the only thing which you should see, how is T written in the option? You see, in the first one, the T is written as it is. The mirror is kept in the bottom. It should be a water image. Water image में the top becomes bottom, the bottom becomes top. ठीक है? So the S is on the top, T in the bottom. Now T will be on top, but then it should be inverted. If you will go and you will see your reflection in a in water, right? In a pond maybe or in a tank, your reflection will be upside down. है ना? The T should be like this and T is like this in a spoon. Even in a spoon, yes. Okay? So yes, your answer will be T.
Ma'am, okay.
Okay? Then
Ma'am,
question
they can
number two.
name water image like spoon image also some.
Okay, see, no. Water image is actually water and mirror images are mirror image only, images only. But just we are keeping it in the bottom and that reflection we get only when we are standing in front of some water.
Ma'am,
So that's why
spoon
they have named
image
it.
and water image are
Okay, you understand it that way only. Then for question number two, what did you mark all of you? Tell me.
Ma'am B. B. Ma'am C.
C?
C.
No. B1. C
B.
क्यों मार्क किया? C देखो यहाँ पे mirror is kept here तो G should be here no. आपने ये वाला आपने C मार्क किया तो ये तो गलत है. In the mirror image, your right becomes left and the left becomes right. The G is on right hand side. Now the G should be on the left. Also, it will be a mirror image of it. G का G left में होगा और उसका mirror image भी होगा. Like it will be flipped. And R should be here. देखिए, it's given in option B.
By the way, I actually did not do any techniques. I only went to the mirror and I saw how it looks like.
During your exam, you will not find a mirror. But that was a very quick move, intelligent thing to do, smart thing to do. But then in your exam, you will not find a mirror. Okay. So for question number 2, that would be option 2, right? Question number 3, I've already explained, but I'll explain it again. Nora walking towards north to reach a market. See what you should remember. Now you see, all of you're not sitting with a notebook. You have not drawn the diagram. If you had sit with your notebook.
Ma'am, I drew it.
Ma'am, I got the third question correct.
You got the third question correct? Very good, Ishani. So this diagram I gave to you when I taught this topic, and again I'm tell Siddhant.
My third question answer is D.
D. D कैसे D? D कैसे D?
Ma'am, I think in every question he is just marking D.
Why are you? Oh my God! You are sitting there and you are judging what he is marking. The first rule: don't see what other student is doing or your friends are doing during your learning. Okay? Don't just see what you are doing, what you are marking. So you see, सिद्धांत इधर देखिए. Nora started walking towards north. ये रहा आपका north. So she is going towards north. And she took a left turn. North से आप left turn लोगे सिद्धांत, तो कहाँ जाएंगे हम? नॉर्थ से लेफ्ट, ये रहा आपका सिद्धांत. कहाँ जाएंगे हम सिद्धांत, बताइए. टेल. नॉर्थ से लेफ्ट टर्न लेंगे, आप कहाँ जाएंगे? मैंने यहाँ पे डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया है. दोबारा ड्रॉ करूं? सी वेट, आई विल ड्रॉ लिटिल बिट बिगर. दिस इज योर ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, साउथ. ठीक है. शी वॉज गोइंग टूवर्ड्स नॉर्थ. द राइट ऑफ नॉर्थ इज दिस, द लेफ्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ इज दिस. She took a left turn from north. She was going towards north. She took a left turn, Siddhant. Which direction will she go now? Who gave the answer?
West.
Yes. So आपने D मार्क किया, गलत हो गया वो आपका क्वेश्चन.
साउथ वेस्ट हो गया वो.
हाँ, आपने गलत मार्क कर दिया ना. साउथ वेस्ट, साउथ वेस्ट तो ये रहा सिद्धांत. यहाँ कैसे चले गई वो? आपने वेस्ट को सरपास कर दिया, आप साउथ वेस्ट में चले गए. ठीक है. For fourth number question, I have already explained it to you. The shadow will form here, that is in front of this man. He is facing.
फोर्थ नंबर का A है मेरा.
फोर्थ का A है. हाँ, फोर्थ का A आपने फिर वो वाला सही मार्क किया होगा. What did you mark for question number 5, all of you?
D.
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 5, all of you. D. Siddhant, what do you mark for D? 5 का D. चलो ठीक है. So then 5 number question all you got wrong. Sorry, correct. 6 number question, what did you mark?
B.
6 number?
B. B. Ma'am, B.
6 number? No, B. 6 number B, right. ये अभी मैंने बताया ना आपको, नॉर्थ ईस्ट. अच्छा, here you have to say DPZC.
My answer
First
is
should be west. First should be west. West तो you see in all the options it is west. So first west, then upward north, and then again west. North, west, north. ऐसे the arrow is pointing. You have to go along this arrow from the end. DPZC, DPZ and C, like this. So it should be west, north, and west. First west, because this direction is west. Upward is north, and again towards your left. So west. Then this question I have explained just now. Northeast, from P's respect, northeast. Okay. Siddhant, what did you mark for 7 number question, if you remember?
Ma'am, 7th D. A.
A. 7 number. No, northeast. 8 number.
C.
D. 8 number D.
I said C.
8 number C. Yes, your B should look like this. 3 should look like this. Bigger on the top and smaller in the bottom. M should be your like this. 1 should be like this. And A like this. So in top and bottom, the ones which are on left will remain in the left, but just it will be a mirror image of it. Okay. What did you mark? The C1 will be your answer. Look at the one. One देखो
9
कैसा
1 became
ए तो हम पहले ही रिमूव कर देंगे यहाँ से बिकॉज सॉरी B1 तो आप पहले ही रिमूव कर दोगे यहाँ से ए भी रिमूव कर दो बिकॉज 1 इज नॉट इन करेक्ट ओरिएंटेशन 1 का जो दिस लाइन ऑफ द 1 शुड बी इन द like this in this direction. You see it's opposite in A, option A. Then why not option D? Because in option D the 3 is not written correctly. The bigger leaf of 3 should be like on the top. 3 is written like this. No, all of you.
Ma'am, 9th one also became
Ninth one was Kirti. Here I wrote Kirti. So ninth one is your B. 10th one. What was the answer for 10th one? 10th one I already told the answer, that was
D.
west. West. ठीक है वो
D.
put और हाँ D. West. 10th का हाँ सिद्धांत, what did you mark?
D.
D.
Ma'am, B. Next one is B.
Next one is B. 11 number you are saying. Yes, you are right. Because
Ma'am,
the would be like
Here
this.
is B. 12 number is B. 12 number is also B.
12 you
Ma'am,
remember.
mine is also B for 11.
11
12th also B.
12 is
13th also B.
12 is also B, correct. 11 13
13 also
what did
B.
you mark? 13 is
B.
also B. Yes, you are right. 13 is also B. 13 is also
14 is C.
Huh?
C.
14 I explained to you, right? 3 by 4 turn anti-clockwise. Where was she facing? Mohit was facing where? Library. Where is library? This is library. Huh? So 1 by 4, 3 by 4 it is. 3 by 4 means we are taking only these 3 by 4 part. बीच बीच के ले रहे हैं ये देखो. All of these are the northeast, the northwest, the southeast, southwest, those directions. Okay, he made a 3 by 4 turn. 3 by 4 turn to 1, 2, 3. Your answer was option C for 14th number. Hospital. Then the next was Latika is moving towards her home. How many turns must she move in clockwise direction to face the school? She is facing her home. Where is her home? Home. Okay. Clockwise direction means she has to go this way. She has to go this way. Now you check what is your denominator. It's in 8. Huh? It's 2 are 8 and your 2 are 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be 5 by 8. 15. See how many moves? 1 move, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves to reach the school. So 8 parts. यहाँ पे देखो कितने parts हैं? 8 parts हैं. हाँ, tell.
It is 3:15.
3 what?
It is 3:15.
Vivansh, the time is for everyone, right? The time 3:15 is for me as well. Time 3:15 is for me as well, but I'm sitting and explaining the question to you, to everyone. It's okay, we can extend it for 5 minutes at least. In 5 minutes, we'll complete all the questions. So it should be 5 by 8. ठीक है? देखो, important is the denominator. If 8 part, how 8 parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 part. If 4 part only, so either they are taking the main directions or उनके बीच का directions are either they are taking. Reyansh, are you there?
Ma'am, I don't think so. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you know what, Vivansh? You know that? Then why did you got it wrong? If you know why you got this wrong. 16th number.
Everything ulta.
Ma'am, 16th one was the easiest.
16th one is very easy one. So what did you mark?
Yes,
all of
ma'am,
you?
it's B.
One?
It's B.
Should be B? Yes. 17th one, what did you mark? A. 17th work, you might not have got it wrong. 18th one, you might have got wrong, which I will explain it to you. 1 by 4.
18 I got wrong.
Huh? Yes.
18 is D.
18 is your, I explained it that time only, Vivansh. So it is easy for you to do the question because I've explained that already. So what do we do? What are we doing? 1 by 4 return, anti-clockwise. We are exchanging the theater and hospital. Here it will be hospital and here it will be theater. Okay. Where was he facing? He was facing in the towards the park. Okay. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4 would be this. Because we are taking the denominator 4. So 1 by 4 would be hospital. 19th number, what did you mark? 19th number A? Simple? A. Wrong. Wrong. 19th number A. C. Why did you mark C?
Ma'am, I also did 19th number A.
Right. A only. C1 you see both the P's are facing differently.
I said B.
You said B. Ah, look at the leaf. The difference is in the leaf in A and B. The leaf should be here. And you have marked
Can
here.
I leave?
Ah. Now 20th number. What did you mark for 20th number?
C.
28th number ka D.
D, ma'am. I also marked D.
Okay. Good, Ishani. No, previous.
Ma'am, I marked
No, you marked Ishani.
something else. Something else.
You marked something else, right? So that was a
Ma'am,
test,
can
all
I
of you.
leave?
All of you can leave. I have explained all the
Ma'am?
questions. Yes, Vivansh.
Can you solve this?
No, I cannot. Can you do that?
Is that a 3 by 3?
Yeah, I think, yeah, looks like 3 by 3. Oh, you also have. Do you have 6 by 6?
Ma'am, I have 4 by 4. My
Oh,
brother solves them.
oh, you are
3
3
by 3, 2 by 2, and 4 by 4.
Wow. Wow,
Ma'am.
great, great. Ah,
Ma'am, I'm having 3 by 3.
yes, that I
Ma'am,
can.
I have 3 by 3,
Hmm.
4 by 4 only.
Only I don't have any of
Ma'am,
it.
I had 2 3 by 3s, one 2 by 2, which broke. Now I'm having two 3 by 3, another 3 by 3 broke. I'm having this.
Ma'am, I'm having like
Ma'am, I got this one
4,
yesterday.
5, 3 by 3s.
Ma'am, I
1 4
got
by
this
4,
yesterday
and
only.
1 by 2. But
Wow.
when
Ma'am,
my brother is done learning 4 by 4, we'll get 5 by 4.
Wow.
Ma'am, I got this yesterday only because I went to Phoenix Mall and I was
Wow.
playing fun. I was playing Fun City and I got it.
I've never been to the Phoenix Mall. Where do you live?
Same.
You live where?
Ramurthy Nagar.
You live in Delhi, right?
No, ma'am, Ramurthy Nagar, Bangalore.
Oh, you live in Bangalore. Oh, right, right. Reyansh lives in Delhi. Where have you shifted to now, Reyansh?
Ma'am, by the way, I did not solve all of the colors. They are still
Okay.
jumbled.
It's 3:20. Bye-bye, all of you. You are so cute. Study at home, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Take care, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye bye.